I will discuss about the disadvantages of mixed economy. One disadvantages of mixed economies is that they tend to lean more toward government control and less toward individual freedoms. While most modern forms of governments are consistent with some form of mixed economy, the mixed economy is the most commonly associated with social democratic governments. Some critics of contemporary social democracy argue that when social democracy abandoned Marxism, it also abandoned socialism and has become in effect a liberal capitalist movement. Marxian socialists argue that because social democratic programs retain the capitalist mode of production, they also retain the fundamental issues of capitalism, including cyclical fluctuations, exploitation, and alienation. The democratic socialist critique of social democracy states that capitalism could never be sufficiently humanized and any attempt to suppress the economic contradictions of capitalism would only cause them to emerge elsewhere. Market socialists criticize social democracy for maintaining a property-owning capitalist class, which has an active interest in reversing social democratic politics and a disproportionate amount of power over society to influence governmental policy as a class. The disadvantages of social democratic policy in a mixed economy. While most modern forms of government are consistent with some form of mixed economy, given the broad range of economic system that can be described by the term, the mixed economy is most commonly associated with social democratic parties or nations run by social democratic governments. Critics of contemporary social democracy argue that when social democracy abandoned Marxism, it also abandoned socialism and has become, in effect, liberal capitalist movement. They argue that this has made social democrat similar to center-left, but pro-capitalist groups such as the U.S. Democratic Party. Others contrast social democracy with democratic socialism by defining the former as an attempt to strengthen the welfare state and the latter as an alternative socialist economic system to capitalism. For example, attempts to reduce unemployment too much would result in inflation, and too much job security would erode labor discipline. Social democracy can also be contrasted with market socialism. While a common goal of both systems is to achieve greater social and economic equality, market socialism so by changes in enterprise ownership and management, whereas social democracy attempts to do so by government-imposed taxes and subsidies on privately owned enterprises.